Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. So welcome back. Got these long ass nails from TikTok. So these long nails, from TikTok. So they just passed the bill to cut taxes on tips and overtime and on Social Security. I've been saying they should have cut taxes on Social Security because people don't even make that much money on Social Security. Like my grandmothers and, people that's on Social Security disability. You shouldn't, right? You literally shouldn't be paying taxes on a little bit of money. So they cut that. They just passed that bill. Also on tips. So that is great for, for restaurant owners. Well, not owners, but, people that work in the restaurant industry, and Uber and everybody that's getting tips, which is great, and then overtime. Now there's a cap, there's a limit on that too, so it's not like unlimited overtime. So, but the flip side to cutting taxes on that is now giving tax breaks to the rich. So we already knew this was going to happen because Donald Trump is in, he's rich, and he wants to give his people, tax breaks, which they already have enough tax breaks. But, that's the world we're living in. We're living in a capitalistic society. All the Republicans, except for one Republican, voted for it, and none of the Democrats voted for it because they knew that they was now going to give tax breaks to Trump's people, right? So it's a flip side. I mean, some people are going to be happy they're not getting taxed on overtime. Some people are going to be happy they're not getting taxed on their Social Security, anymore. And that means you don't got to file Social Security tax if you only get Social Security as your income. I tell my grandmothers, who's 85, y'all don't even need to file taxes no more. Y'all not getting nothing back, so y'all don't owe nothing. Don't file. Don't make no sense just to pay a fee to get your taxes done. So we're living in a world, guys, where if you don't have a business, or if you're not in position, or if you're not making money on TikTok shops, or putting yourself in position, to make money online, guys, I'm telling you, the next 4 years will not be good for you and your family. If the last 4 years was bad during Biden, the next 4 years is going to be worse during Trump, guys. Get yourself in position now. Get yourself in position, guys. Start investing. Start you a business, guys, part-time. Guys, just start you a business part-time. If you shop on Amazon, start learning how to be an Amazon influencer and create reviews so you can make an extra $500 to $1,000 residual money a month. Then if you're already shopping on TikTok, or if you on TikTok, learn how to do reviews on TikTok and make money. Now, TikTok, they paying 50 cents, $2, $5, $10, just depending on what you're selling. But you can sell multiple things, right? You can sell it multiple times, right? Build up your following. That's where the world is going. Online shopping, shoppable videos. People like that, right? I'm sure you read reviews. I'm sure you look at reviews all the time before you buy. Before I bought these nails on TikTok, I watched like 3 of the girls' videos. And I said, let me buy them too and let me do a video, right? So guys, this is where the world is going. The world is going to TikTok shops. People making millions of dollars on TikTok just from selling stuff and creating content. People are selling stuff and creating content. I'm about to step my TikTok game up. Like, for real, I'm going to be more on TikTok. Come on, guys. The next 4 years won't be better for you if you're not in position. One income is close to one. One income will kill you. You need at least 3 incomes. You need your job to pay your bills. You need a business to live your lifestyle. And then your business, you need that money to invest, right? So whatever profit you get from your business, now you can use 20% of that and be able to invest the money so that you can get passive residual income. So if I'm making money on TikTok and I'm making money on Amazon, 20% of that I can invest in stocks and watch my money grow. I can invest in Walmart and watch my money grow. I can invest in Nvidia or Apple or Amazon and watch my money grow. Get a job. You start a business part-time. LLC. You don't even have to get an LLC. Guys, you can start an Amazon without an LLC. You can start a TikTok without an LLC, guys, and make at least $1,000 a month. These people arguing on TikTok making 10 grand a month, arguing. Arguing on TikTok. I mean, come on. It's too many ways, guys, to make money in 2025. If you are broke, that is your choice to be broke and stay broke in 2025.